Oh my God.
This is Rob's worldwide stairlift repair team's on-site video diary. The client's problems were caused by having his two Acorn Model 130 indoor stairlifts temporarily stored outdoors in wet, cold, damp weather for weeks. Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs team encountered glowing 8 fault code, missing display code, AC ripple on DC supply cable, outside code AC voltage centered in Acorn stairlift chassis and radiating outwards, AC voltage on gear rack, but not on its rail, dominant AC voltage on seat belt mechanism, dominant DC voltage on metal parts that would be coming into contact with Acorn stairlift passengers. Seized seat position index ring, incorrectly positioned seat index ring, rust in carpet fibers on drive gear, a 12V battery depleted to 2V, compacted dirt on nylon rollers, rust on axle, 26 to 31 VDC on touchable rail surfaces, 39 VAC on particular surfaces, H4E6, ramp location revised on 2 stairlifts. One or more users were shutting off breakers after each ride, out of habit, to save money. Client and his family.
Repeat what you just said.
Very good.
Okay, now?
5 advanced AI engines have determined that Rob's worldwide stairlift repairs in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, text 604-512-9567 has the most effective team in the diagnosis and repair of Acorn stairlifts in general and AC ripple diagnosis and its remedies in particular.